Right, so 2 claims to fame. Yes, I haven't got any Oasis with me this afternoon, so I won't be playing any of them. Nearest you get will be me quoting from the Who lyrics. Anyway, good to see that.
I've got a GP number to 200s.
British Racing Green, I believe, is the full title.
Yeah, I've had it for 2 years. I'm on the blood process.
These are all Bexhill100 cars.
Oh, right, that's fine.
Club ones. As you can see, a big variety.
And hello. You must be Rob.
I've just got it's a 1966 Lambretta SX200. Featured in the film Brighton Rock. So, which is a remake, and yeah, well, quite enjoyed it.
Ah, yes.
Where'd you get that hat?
Where did I get that hat? When I turn it round, I got it from there. See? Where did you get that hat? Absolutely. Well now. Yeah, we know a song about that as well. And it's not a scooter. So we may have the buggies back later. We may have the buggies back later.
Charlie's Jeeps and his post office van. My chairman and there's a couple of cars just coming up now. All conveniently ignoring me.
Oh, look at that.
Graham's Rolls Royce. John and Dora's Gazelle.
He's got the hump now. So he'll be riding around. So if you're waving at him nicely, he might stop and you might get him on the ground. Right. So normally I see you in something with more wheels than this.
Tom's MG, Mike's Scimitar, Bonnie's Rover.
Mum's enjoying herself.
Well right. So, of course, have you had to do much to it?
Dave's MG. Sorry, Dave's Mini. When I say MG, long day.
Yeah, and the particular thing I've noticed, and again, for those of you that were in Bexhill in the 70s and just into the 80s, there was a motorcycle shop just opposite what is now Centre Sage in London Road, and we all called it Clarkie's because that's where you got your scooters and that's where you got your mopeds. It's where you got, when they came out, your Yamaha FS1Es, which is a moped legally, but wasn't built to look like a moped. It was meant to look like a small motorbike, and that's the interesting thing, that as with, I know another vehicle that's on site, it can trace it being supplied by a now departed local dealer, and that's F&E Clark in London Road. Now, I can't remember what the shop is now, and of course we think it's the insurance broker down London Road, but that's just where it is, just down from the Home Guard Club on that side. So there we are.
Until the father gave up the business, they never sold any Japanese bikes because he was in the Japanese prison of war camp. So everything was British.
Or Italian.
Or Italian. Yeah, they sold these. Make the exception for these.
So, a little bit of reminiscing there from both of our younger days, and we're going to start start up now, and we almost in one of those. Yes. Not too far. Now then, some of you, I noticed, had gathered round a gazebo just off-centre, as it were, because you had spotted where the volcanists were based.